Hi everyone. Today we will be unboxing the 5D Easter Diamond Art Wreath Hanging Kit.
I really liked the hanging chain because it was thick and sturdy. I always worry if a chain is strong enough to hold the weight, and this chain is definitely strong enough to hold the Easter wreath wherever you decide to hang it. The numbered beads stick to the paint by numbers painting with a sticky glue substance already applied. The wreath measures about 11 inches by 7.5 inches. The beads are made of acrylic and in the shape of a diamond, which makes it easier to grab with the bead. I only use the bead bin to put the extra beads in the extra baggies that are provided in the box. Once you're done with the Easter wreath, you can use the two-sided tape that is provided. However, we use some Scotch two-sided tape. The tape provided is more suitable for indoor use, and we wanted to hang it on our front door. I originally purchased this as a gift for the house to celebrate Easter that's coming up. However, I didn't expect it to be as fun as it really was. The whole family participated, and it took us a couple of days to put all the pieces together before we did hang it outside. I would strongly recommend the Easter wreath hanging kit to anyone who wants to be festive and have some relaxing family time. I was surprised by my stepmom. She even said that it was really relaxing for her, and it's kind of like a 1,000-piece puzzle. It's going to take you a minute, but if this is something you really like, this is the perfect gift for you.